What's the meaning of both? Both. Both.
Both. Both. The word both is used to refer to two things together. It indicates that both items are being considered as a pair or set. The word is often used to draw attention to the fact that two items share some commonality or association. For example, if someone says I love both pizza and burgers, it means that they enjoy both of these foods equally. In summary, the word both is used to indicate that two items are being considered together and share some commonality or association.